Hey everybody, I'm out in my shop today. I made a couple videos on putting a slinky to keep the squirrels out of my bird feeders, and it doesn't work. So they figure out a way to get up. So me and a friend of mine thought about trying something. I don't know if anybody's ever tried this before or not. I'm going to use a two-thing approach. I'm going to use a slinky, but I'm also going to try putting a piece of PVC pipe on there first around the pole. I've got to cut it in half so I can get it on there, but yeah, I'm going to try to put it on there with kind of like a bungee to where it will be on the pole where it'll be moving, but also the slinky will be on the outside. So hopefully when they go through, because what they do is they grab, generally they grab in on mine, the squirrel's mine, they'll actually grab through the slinky and to the bar and actually, force their way up the bar by grabbing hold of the bar. Well, I figured with this, for one thing, it's bigger around, but they can also, I'm hoping when they get a hold of this, it'll be moving too. Anyway, hopefully they'll sling them to the ground, but without hurting them, of course. But something I thought about trying. And on other videos I've seen them, basically they'll get the slinky and they'll basically push it up with their head. So I thought, well, with this, it would also go up, and once it hits the top of the bird feeder pole, it will stop, and they can't push up no more. So then they'll have to try to grab a hold of this, and hopefully it will still knock them to the ground. But anyway, that's my theory. I'm going to try it and see what happens. First, I'm going to try cutting it in half. I already marked it, and I started cutting it just to see if it will cut, make sure. But let me turn the camera here so you can see. Different views. I'm just using my reciprocating saw. Okay, it's in two halves now. Hopefully I can just put that over there. I'm going to try to use the cement, PVC cement, see if that's going to hold it. But I may have to put like tape or something on there, or maybe even, I didn't want to really use zip ties because it gives them something to grip to. But sand this down a little bit. Just gonna sand it down a little bit. Okay. want to mark the ends that so it lines back up. And the other thing I'm going to do is, okay, the other thing I'm going to do, I got these inexpensive little bungee cord. Doesn't take much to pull it, so I'm going to try that. First, you need to take the little tip off there. I'm going to have to. I'm going to go ahead and drill 2 holes in the end of this. I may have to put it on there like that. If not, I'm going to try to put it on there with just one, to where it'll be just one on there like that. I'm going to go ahead and drill 2 holes in it, just in case. So I don't have to do it again. Looks like a 5:30 seconds ought to do it. Find my drill. You know, this ain't got to be no perfect deal. Just in the same end. Got 2 holes, just in case. Anyway, going to try to put it on there like this, and like I said, hopefully we're going to see what it's going to do. Okay, I'm going to try taking it outside. Put the camera up a little bit here. Yeah, I'm going to try taking it outside now and hooking it up. And we'll be back. We're out here at my bird feeders. And I'm going to try gluing this on there. I already took the Slinky down. It's on the bottom down there. So let's see if this will work with the glue. Okay, that doesn't want to work. I kind of didn't figure it would, but thought I'd try it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit of electrical tape around it. Tape. The reason I'm using electrical tape instead of like duct tape is it's real slick, you know. So I don't know how long it'll last out here in the weather, but we're going to try it. I can always put some more electrical tape on around it when I need to. This bungee has a coating on there. I'm going to cut it off and scrape it off. It's making it hard for it to slide up and down. I don't know if all of them come with that or not, but that's aggravating for that. And the other thing I'm going to do, I don't have my regular pliers out here. I got my little pair I keep on my keychain. But I'm going to bend this thing because it's a little bit too big to fit inside there, so I'm going to try to make the loop on it smaller. By bending it. It's a little smaller. Put the Slinky back on. As you can see, I'm hoping that the squirrel will jump up. If you watch my other videos, they jump up, and generally they're able to grab hold of the pole with their feet between the Slinky, and they force themselves up. I'm hoping that when they jump up here, because they can only jump so high, about maybe 2 foot high or 3 foot or so. So when they grab hold of it, they won't have a solid pole. They'll grab hold, they'll grab through, and then this will move. And hopefully that will create enough jump going on to where it throws them off. And hopefully that will make it to where they can't climb. Anyway, I'm going to give it a shot and see what it does. If I can get any to try it, I'll stick it on here with this video. But if not, check out a later video. I'm sure I'll at one point try to get them jumping on it. Yeah, just if you like this video, check out my other ones. Subscribe to my channel. There's a link down below somewhere. Yeah, give me a like so I can make more videos. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey, well, I decided to put my cameras up this morning and did get some footage of the squirrels
trying to figure out how to outwit the PVC pipe and the Slinky Combo. And I'm going to add it on right here at the ending, and looks like it's working so far. They tried several times to figure it out and failed at all attempts. So it may change in the future. I don't know. Some suckers are pretty smart, but for now it's working. So y'all check it out, see what y'all think, and like I said, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you would, please. And I got a bunch of more footage of the squirrels playing and stuff, so I may make another video of just them playing and stuff. So anyway, check it out in the future. I'll be looking for it. Anyway, that's all. More video coming up with the squirrels trying to outwit the Slinky PVC Combo. Talk to you later. Bye.